Canada's Farm Show, presented by Bunge, started with a purpose: to show the world how Canadian agriculture leads the way. From farming machinery to the technology shaping what's next. This is where progress took root. And decades later, that mission hasn't changed. With new show dates in March, this city becomes the center point of agriculture. Farmers, manufacturers, buyers, innovators, all moving toward one goal: growth. Because this isn't just a show. It's the engine that keeps the industry moving forward. From a handful of neighbors to a global community. We've built something bigger than ourselves. A place where innovation is shared, where education fuels progress, and where collaboration builds what's next. This is where the future starts. Right here, in the heart of the prairies.